Hi friends, let me show you this new trunk organizer that I received for reviewing purposes. It's really useful because this way you can have your trunk, well, organized, as the name says so. Sometimes you have all your stuff all loose around in the trunk, and with this organizer you will be able to have it really nicely in your trunk. Let me put it together. Really easy. As you can see, you have these Velcro strips that will help you to put it together. That's it. You have it put together, and this one you can put it and open it. So you put these buttons here and you can open and close it like this, really easy. And you have this Velcro strip in the bottom, so when you put it in the trunk, it's fixed to the trunk floor, so it won't move around, okay? And when you have it like that, you can put all the stuff that you bring with you in your car, like some of your tools, some grocery bags, maybe your windshield cleaner, your tires sealer if you need it, and some gloves. Whatever you bring with you in your car, you just close it like that, and you have a nice, organized trunk. If you're looking for a new trunk organizer like this, and when you arrive anywhere, if you need to take everything out, you just take out your trunk organizer and that's it. You'll have all your stuff with you, okay? So if you're looking for a new trunk organizer, this is a nice unit, easy to use, easy to put together, and if you want to put it away, you also can fold it away really easily. Thank you.